Good morning students, myself Sarika, and today we are going to switch on the lesson the alphabet, letters and words from grammar. See the name of the lesson, the alphabet, letters and words. Most of the times what happens, when somebody asks you the question, how many letters are there in English? And very quickly you will say there are 26 letters. Yeah, of course, that is true. But when someone asks you how many alphabets are there in English, then also you will say there are 26 alphabets, which is wrong. Actually, there is only one alphabet in English, because alphabet is a set of letters, a group, a set of letters in which there will be 26 letters. All the 26 letters in a sequence or in order together form a set that is called as the alphabet. So, there is only one alphabet in English in which there are 26 letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All these together, or the set of these all in a sequence, is called as the alphabet, and A to Z all are 26 and these are called as letters. Out of 26 there are A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are the vowels and remaining 21 are the consonants. So friends, there is only one alphabet in English. There are 26 letters in English. There are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Now we'll see how the words are formed. If I write I-N, in, so we read it in. It means there are 2 letters, I and in. When letters come together, they form a word. Again, M-A-N. I have taken 3 letters. 3 letters together formed one word, that is man. Then I'll take 4 letters. 4 letters also you can take. 5 letters also you can take. 5 letters, 4 letters, 6 letters. When the letters come together, they form a word. They form a word. It means in this lesson, we have seen the alphabet, letters and words. These are the exercise in the lesson which I will send you in PDF file. And I will send you the homework also to do in your notebook. I turn the page. These are the exercises where you will complete the names of these words by filling up the vowels and consonants in this. Again, here we see the 2 forms of the letters. A to Z all are letters, 26 letters. These letters can be written in 2 ways. The capital letters and small letters, which you learn in class LKG and UKG. Small letters and capital letters. Then we go to the next exercise in which it is told us to write the given words in small letters which are given in capital. Again, in the next exercise, the words are given in small letters and you are supposed to write them in capital letters. Then we move to the words. I have already told you, letters come together, they form words. See this example, M-I-L-K. 4 letters have come together and they have formed the word milk. R-O-A-D, road. S-L-E-D, E-E-P, sleep. It means words are formed by combining the letters. Next, we'll see one more exercise here. E, exercise G, and exercise H. This is the one part of the lesson. In the next part of the lesson, of the same lesson, one more part I will be teaching you in my next video, including some exercises to be done in the classwork, in which we'll have alphabetical order and all. So we'll stop here only in this video, and I will send you the PDF of all the exercises. You will have to do this exercise A. Draw these pictures yourselves, write them. You can color also, and then exercise B also you'll have to do in your notebook. And exercise C, exercise D, exercise E, exercise F, G, and H. Wherever the pictures are given, please draw the pictures and color them. If not possible, leave them. Only write the question and answer. So my dear children, this was the first part of this lesson, in which we have seen the alphabet, letters, two ways of writing the letters, small and capital letters, and then we have seen words, how the words are formed. Letters come together and they form words. Now when the words are formed, how shall we keep them in alphabetical order? That we are going to learn in the next part. So till then, keep learning, stay safe, stay home. I'll send you the PDF through which you can do your homework. Bye.